How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fierce Technology. Today we're unboxing the Goreit LED tactical flashlight. It comes in this nice little casing right here. Really like how it comes with something like this. So we'll just go ahead and open it up. We do have some nice padding right in here, which is really cool to protect it. Looks like we do have a case for, first of all. We do have our battery. It's a nice big battery, 5,000 milliamp battery, so that's super handy. We do have the USB cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. So I like how we have that newer USB-C technology. We also have these extra batteries right here, which I'll have to see what exactly all the batteries are for. We do have this little thing right here, which looks like some sort of mini LED flashlight. So we'll have to check that out in a second right here. We do also have our flashlight itself. So let's go ahead and take this right out. We can see, wow, that is super good feeling quality. I really like it. Like a full metal body, so it just feels like super good quality. So let's go ahead and throw our battery in and we can see exactly how that works. So by the looks of it, we do have this little piece right here, which we can use our 3 AAA batteries that are included, or we have the option of using our rechargeable batteries. So that is super handy that we have the rechargeable and the AAAs. I'm actually going to use the rechargeable battery first and we're going to try it out, but we'll use the AAA batteries as kind of our backup. So if we do need backup power, we do have that. All right, so we put our rechargeable battery in our flashlight itself. We do have this little piece right here, which just comes right out, access to our recharging area right here. So we have USB-A or USB-C, and this one also does act as a battery pack. So we can actually use the USB-A to output charge if we want to charge our phone or iPhone, whatever we want, or we do have the USB-C to charge it up. So super handy that we have also a portable battery pack. But let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time. This is gonna be super bright in my camera right here. So we'll go ahead and hit that. Okay, I really like that. So you can see it's in that circular motion right here. And we can kind of adjust it if we want to. So we can have it a little bit bigger, a little bit wider and whatnot. So we have fully adjustability with this, which is super cool. So we can get super tiny kind of spotlight-ish, but I know this is really bright. Obviously we do have bright lights here right now, so let's go into a completely dark area and we can test it right out. All right, so I'm in a completely pitch black area right now. I'm gonna turn the flashlight on. Wow, you can see I do collect Hot Wheels. That's part of my other YouTube channel, so you can see all my Hot Wheels right here, but that's insane just how bright this flashlight is. Here's my stairs right here. You can see just lights up everything completely. So we also have the option of dimming it. So we can click the little button, we can dim it down, or we can strobe it if we want to. So we have the little strobe area right there, or just the flashing just like that, and off or back right to our flashlight. Let's go ahead and try out the case that is included right here. So you can see this case does have a little belt loop on there, so if you want to wear it on your belt, you can. Let's grab our flashlight right here, and I'm gonna put it in probably facing up would probably be the smarter way to do it. So we're just gonna push it in just like that, and then we do have that little flap that just goes over right there, and there we go. So we have a nice little case, and you can wear that wherever you want to. They also included this super mini keychain LED flashlight, so we just have that little switch right there, so we can switch it on and off if we want to. So nice and handy that they included something small like that as a bonus. There's a link in the description for the current pricing of this flashlight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.